Hello everyone! Hello Kasajan, hello alumni!
In terms namin today, kahit Sabado. Sabado!
Okay, Green Dragon, we are the best. Very good, grade 7 Green Dragons.
Shout out!
Ayan, let's hear the yell from the grade 8 Yellow Roaring Tigers.
Tigers, are you ready?
Okay, roar from Roaring Tigers. And now let's see them soaring to the sky. The grade 9 Blue Eagles.
Char!
Go Eagle! Lupad!
Okay, talaga na naman
Sino
the
na
sure
speaker?
fire and sure
Wala eh.
high sky with their grade na naman about to speak talaga.
Dirita sa ano? Sa grade 10.
Okay, right now, sizzling and burning. Let's welcome the grade 10 Red Phoenix. Okay, sure inspiring for the grade 10 Red Phoenix. Up next, the new animal in town, the Purple Wolf.
Saan? Sabado manggutaron. Sabado, sige lang.
Ayan. Talaga nga namang nagkakagulo ang mga aso. Dahil nga, tinuturuan talaga ito ni Sir Renz ba? Si Sir Renz ang
Ayun sila, the
ito.
purple.
And again, let's hear it from
Purple.
the
Okay, grade
Great
12 na.
Panthers.